What should you know about Siamese cats? Facts about Siamese cats. Siamese cats are highly intelligent, talkative, sociable, friendly, affectionate, outgoing, and social. This beautiful breed is also one of the most intelligent around. Humans would enjoy having very smart cats. Siamese are rarely found. Can you believe that? Also, they have beautiful blue eyes. Siamese cats are also very, very cute. I wish I had one. Siamese cats also get scared when they meet a new person. So do be careful when you meet a Siamese cat. But they'll like you eventually, so don't worry. Some Siamese cats are playful. So when you meet one, make sure you play with it. Also, do make Siamese cats feel welcome. They will interact with you more. That's about it. You may move to the next slide.
There's Reyah's drawing.
You really draw that? That's so cute.
How would I describe that? Very, very cute. Smart little ones. Beautiful eyes. Playful, interactive, really found. Generous, funny, sociable, talkative. Next slide.
Heart.
I love them. Siamese, the origin. Siamese. Popular short-haired breed of domestic cat originally from Thailand. A country whose official name was Siam until 1939. The Siamese is a little, long-bodied cat with slim legs and a long, slim tail. It has a long, wedge-shaped head and blue eyes. There. Thank you. I'm so glad I got to present this to you. Have a wonderful day.
A little box?
Wait,
Why did you choose Siamese cat?
because they're kind of like my favorite breed. I did some how.
Do they have like were they born from a different breed, but they had a different, like fur color?
I'm not pretty sure, but I'm pretty sure when they were kittens, they were still the same color when they were older, because I do have a picture of a small kitten Siamese.